from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Friday. Temperatures, they were very cold this afternoon. We only made it into the lower 30s, and check out Galena. That was the temperature high. They achieved only 29 degrees, so they didn't even make it to the 30-degree mark out of the upper 20s. 31 was the high today in Rockford, 30 in Janesville, 31 in Rochelle. Temperatures cooling down pretty quickly, not as cool as what we're going to see Sunday night and also Monday night. Temperatures are going to get really cold during that time frame, especially with wind chills, which will show in just a bit. Tomorrow afternoon, very similar. We'll have wind chills in place pretty much all day. Cloud cover, I do think that's going to stay in place. Might see a couple flurries, but the big thing is temperatures might be a degree or two warmer than what we had out there this afternoon. Then we're going to see temperatures fall again. That'll be Saturday night. Again, not as cool. Temperatures stay right around the 30-degree mark. Some of us fall in those mid to upper 20s. I think most of us will be right around that 30-degree mark. We'll see similar temperatures again Sunday afternoon. Don't make it out of the 30s. I think most of us are confined to those lower to mid 30s both Saturday and Sunday, so the next 2 days. But again, the bitter chill that's going to come after the snow we see, that's going to be one of the biggest topics. So cloud cover stays in place for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures, like I mentioned, lower to mid 30s. We do have that snow that's eventually going to move in here. Could cause some issues on the road. I think the snow is mainly going to be confined to elevated and grassy surfaces. Ground temperatures are warm. Roadways, though, tend to stay a little bit warmer. We could see some slush buildups. There could be some hazardous travel. Just plan on traveling, or at least a little bit of extra time for any of those travel plans. That'll be Saturday or Sunday morning into the afternoon. Most of that moving out by the early evening. You can see that heaviest band of snow does look to move over our area. There are not any winter weather alerts, but there are directly west and southwest of here. So you can see relative to the state line, just to our southwest northern portions of Missouri have been placed under winter weather advisory. That's that purple color. At best, we might see that. We're not going to see a winter storm warning or watch put in place, but we could see a winter weather advisory because this will technically be our first snowfall of the season, at least this upcoming winter season. We did see a trace of snow on Halloween, nothing measurable. This will be our first measurable snow. So where the system originates, that's actually going to be currently out over the Great Plains. That's eventually going to move up through here because temperatures are going to be cold enough. We'll see snow as precipitation as a result of that. Everywhere that's on the warmer sector and temperatures that are in the 40s or even 50s, that's mainly going to be kind of southeast of the Indianapolis area. Those places will see rain. So cold sector for us, that will fall as snow. How much snow could we see? I think most of us probably going to stay between half an inch up to an inch and a half. A few places and locations could see closer to 2, but again, most of this grassy and elevated surfaces, some could coat the roadways, but I think most that's going to melt before touching those roadways. And this heaviest will come Sunday morning into the very early afternoon. Most of that at that point in time after that will move to our northwest. So that kind of does put the bullseye across the state line. Best chances for heavier snow, I think, will be a little bit focused northwest, so maybe towards Freeport, Galena, also Monroe. That's going to be in southern Wisconsin as well. And then that system moves over Michigan and towards the northeast. Like I said, temperatures are going to be cold the next couple of days, not as cold as what we're going to see Monday night. Wind chills, though, could actually get down to the single digits. That would be most likely Monday night into Tuesday. So Marissa, really cold for those kids heading off to school Tuesday morning.